Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to add songs to your Spotify that are not on your Spotify application. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can upload local file song to your Spotify. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So then let's get started. First thing you need to do is log in into your Spotify account. And once you're logged into your Spotify account, you'll be directed to this kind of interface. Once you're on this page, you need to tap on the username. And as soon as you tap on the username, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you need to click on settings, and as you click on the settings option, you'll be directed to the settings page, and right in between you'll be able to see an option as local files. So all you need to do is toggle the switch for show local file. So after that, you need to select the folder from where you want to import the song, and by default Spotify will only select those music that are already downloaded on your device after you've selected the source, and you must be able to see a local file in the left hand side menu. And that is how you can add songs to your Spotify that are not on your Spotify application or your account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.